slitta. Rätt slitta.
Oh.
Så får ni vin också. Vin också.
I'll try. Eh? Ayan o, welcome food. Hi guys, we're in stay in a line. And we have the welcome food which is nice. It's very nice. So yan, napasok na kami here. Napasok na kami here. Dito daw kami. Tayo daw. Yan ang mga kasama namin. Ready na sila. Tayo na breakfast. Kasi, you know. Where are we going today? Yeah, we're going to Denmark today. And we are at the Stena Line. Okay. So guys, I don't know, maybe it's 4 hours cruise going to Denmark. So we're gonna look around afterwards and show you around this ship. At the moment, we are just relaxing for a bit. Isn't it? Come to my vlog. Yes, my sister. Next Sweden vlog. Ayan. Siya yung nag-book sa amin, guys. Papunta ako na. Ito yung aking co-founder ng Whitey Buddies. Ayan. May glove siya. May glove siya. Ayan. All our loves. Ayan. Thank you so much, sis. Ayan.
Kinuha kasi founder Lolita sa Sweden, tapos tapos dinala namin siya sa Norway.
Ngayon na naman.
Sa Denmark. Full package na.
Thank you so much, guys. Ayan ang aking mga kasama. Si Lornex, sa kanyang asawa, yung kapatid. Ayan. Atin Jo, tsaka si atin Marina. Hello, darling. How you doing? You okay? So, ayan guys. What do you call this building, sis?
Carla Tornet.
Carla Tornet. Building na yan.
73 floors.
Yeah.
The highest and the tallest hotel here in Gothenburg, Sweden.
Yeah.
And if you live, the half of them is a hotel, and the downstairs is a condo.
Condo units. Yeah. Yeah.
The cost of that is more than 100 million.
Wow. Really?
Per unit.
Okay. I like that. Mamaya paglabaan natin. Oo. So this is the place where they make ships. Ayan. Ito yung bridge. Saan yung nag-move? Ay, dito sa kabila. Pag may dumaan na barko. Hindi. Akala ko, no? Padaan. O, yan o. Yan mo. Erik Vers Bridge. Ayan. Dito sa Sweden. So, ayan guys. We're going under the bridge. So ayan guys, dadaan kami under the bridge.
Hindi siya mauntog, tingnan mo.
Ayan siya,
Akala mo ba? Akala mo
diba?
mauntog siya, no?
Hindi. Dumaan talaga yung barko sa baba ng bridge. Ayan ang bridge guys, we're under the bridge na. Ayan. So yan ang view. Kailangan namin ang bridge. Ayan ang bridge, bridge. mga tanker to ng oil?
Oil.
Oo, yan para yung mga tanker ng oil guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Saka ganda-ganda ng araw ngayon. So, blessed tayo sa weather today. Diba?
Yan, hindi kita.
Oo. Sila play mo naman oil. Okay.
Diyan, mga dumi dyan, inatawag mo.
Nilinisan?
Oo. Parang ginawang fertilizer ba?
Okay.
Diyan, yung mga dumi, mga basura.
Dyan.
Diyan, pinafertilizer nila.
Okay. So, mga tanker yan pala yan.
Tanker dito sa gasolina, yung bang mga ganyan, ang laman yan ng mga gasolina.
Okay. Ganda. Ay, video ko. Ayan. So, in that building, dyan ka nakatrabaho. Yeah, in that square building. Kain na siya. Eat na kami. Here we are, Denmark. Oh, say hello. Because we're gonna be a few minutes here. Sis! Oh, few minutes lang tayo dito.
Ala,
Ay, ayan.
amoy-amoyin lang namin.
Amuyin lang muna namin ang Denmark, ha?
Tapos balik na naman
Oo.
kami.
Hi guys. So we are walking down this bridge, going to the other side, because we just go down for only about 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes, we're going back to the ship. So yeah, my sister is driving in the picture, and you know, walking really quickly, going to the other side. Okay. So yun guys, yan yung barko. Hihintayan mo sa amin. Kung mabagal kami, hindi kayo pwedeng hintayin. Baka dito na lang kami titira. Yan guys, yan yung barko. Doon kayo babalik. Nung nilakad namin na bridge yan. And then, dyan kayo babalik ko. Sa barko na yan. Yan, dyan. So,
Pretty Cup, Denmark.
ikaw na magsabi kasi hindi ko alam kung ano mag-pronounce.
Ano, it's a small island in Denmark. This is not the capital city, but this is the part of Denmark that there are some people coming here for tourists.
For tourists.
Going down here in Denmark. So the place where the Gothenburg and Denmark, it's so close.
So yan na kami
Now
dito.
we are in the little city in Frederikshavn.
Okay. So, ayan guys, yung warship ng Denmark. Ang dami. There's so many warship there. So, you need to be careful. So, ito ang Denmark na docks. Ang tawag dito sa kanilang docks yard is Orsko Yard. Ayan. Ayan guys. Mga city nila. Guys, uwi na kami. Bababa kami ng barko. Ayan. Nantok na kami kasi gabi na. Ayan na kami. Bye, Stina Line. Thank you for having us today. Thank you for having us today. Denmark's done. Check. Ate MJ, oh.